I welcome you to another interesting tutorial, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how to simply find out your PC generation, a beginner guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you know the version date of the PC. And for you to know your PC manufacture date, what you need to do is to press Windows plus R on your keyboard. And this is going to pop up. Then from the run dialog box right here, type in MS info 32, and then make sure you click on OK. And in a few seconds, it's going to generate you detail about the PC. So right here you have version date right here. So this particular PC here is 26th of March 2015. So once you know the manufacture year of the PC, what you need to do is to simply minimize. Then you have to head over to your browser. So on getting to your browser, just come to Google and ask what generation is computer of 2015. Then hit enter. So in a few seconds, you get the right information. The computer in use in 2015 were 5th generation. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply know your PC generation without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.